Hi, this is Sean with Lux Lighting. I came home the other night and all my lights were flickering. I thought, oh, this is great. I got it set up for Halloween. Then I realized that wasn't one of the settings on the controller. What is going on with my lights? Have you ever had any flickering lights in your landscaping? There's lots of different things that can cause that. One, it could be, if you're using the old halogen type system, it could be a bad bulb. Sometimes the filaments come loose and they'll flicker on and off. It could be a bad socket, so the lamp itself, the socket it goes into is loose, so it's not making a good connection. Or more likely than not, it is a bad wiring situation where you've got loose wires. If you have LED lights, the reasons they may flicker is that one, is not enough power going to them. And if they get a low power situation, they will flicker on and off. It's very rhythmic and very consistent in its flickering. Or the other thing is sometimes the fixtures go bad. There's a lot of electronic components inside an LED light, and power surges can sometimes mess with those, and that could cause a flickering light. So typically speaking, flickering lights are not a good thing. If you have that in your landscape lighting package, you need to have someone come out and take a look at it, because the problem could expand to other fixtures, or the next thing that might happen is just you come home and the lights don't come on. So if you see flickering lights and you want to mess around with it and you have bulbs or lamps, check, make sure they're in there nice and tightly, or replace them. If you have an LED system, you might need to call us out to take a look at the wiring, or we might have to replace a fixture. This is Sean with Lux Lighting. Have a great day.